Istanbul, often dubbed the City of Seven Hills, or the Crossroads of East and West, offers visitors a wealth of experiences to discover its rich history, culture and diversity that characterizes Turkey. As one of the world's most populous and vibrant cities, Istanbul seamlessly blends the ancient with the modern with a sensory feast of sights, sounds, and flavors. With an impressive array of architectural wonders, including Hagia Sophia, Blue Mosque, and Topkapi Palace. The Bosphorus, a bustling waterway dotted with palaces, mansions, and fortresses, links the Black Sea to the Mediterranean and facilitates trade and transportation. Take a Bosphorus cruise and immerse in the breathtaking view of the city's stunning architecture and landmarks, such as Bosphorus Bridge, Galata Tower, Maiden's Tower and Ortaköy Mosque. Private boats ply back and forth between Maiden's Tower and shore throughout the day. There is a cafe and restaurant within, offering views of the former Roman, Byzantine and Ottoman capital at Sarayburnü. Ortaköy Mosque is located in the bustling hub of Ortaköy Square, amid street vendors and cafes. Its structure is symbolic of the district of Ortaköy and it offers a distinctive view of Bosphorus Strait and the bridge. Galata Tower is a 67-meter Byzantine tower with an observation deck and a top-floor restaurant overlooking the Bosphorus. It has an exhibition space and a museum. Galata Bridge spans the Golden Horn in Istanbul, linking Eminönü in the Fatih district and Karaköy in Beyoğlu. It has a string of restaurants on the underside. It was named after Galata, the former name for Karaköy, on the northern shore of the Golden Horn. An interesting scene of fishing activity on top of Galata Bridge made it the subject of many paintings. Dolmabahce Palace, located in the Besiktas district, is Turkey's largest palace. It has an area of 45,000 square meters and contains 285 rooms, 46 halls, 6 baths and 68 toilets. The design contains eclectic elements from the Baroque, neoclassical styles, blended with traditional Ottoman architecture. The name Dolmabahce, filled-in garden, comes from the Turkish dolma meaning filled, and bahçe meaning garden. By order of 31st Sultan, Abdülmecid, it was built between 1843 and 1856. From 1856 until abolition of caliphate in 1924, the palace was home to 6 sultans. Beyond its historic landmarks, Istanbul is also a city alive with culture, art and cuisine. Visitors can explore the Grand Bazaar, which showcases everything from traditional carpets, colorful lighting to unique souvenirs. In every corner of this city, one will always experience its aromatic spices. A tempting array of sweet pastries and savory kebabs, which feature a blend of flavors and influences from across the Middle East and the Mediterranean. With many beautiful bahçesi or tea gardens offering traditional Turkish breakfast and tea. Sample street food delicacies like simit, which is sesame bread, and börek, which is filled pastry. Another street favorite stall is roasted chestnut and corn. One of the things that makes Istanbul truly special is its vibrant and diverse neighborhoods, each with its unique character and flavor. From Beyoğlu's trendy cafes and boutiques To Sultanahmet's historic streets, there is always something new to discover in this dynamic city. Don't miss out on Istiklal Avenue in the historic Beyoğlu district. It is one of the most famous pedestrian streets lined with branded shops, art galleries, historical patisseries, chocolates, cafes, restaurants, pubs, and places of worship. Board the Red Cream Nostalgic Tram, the world's second oldest subway, which runs frequently. Feel the spirituality of Istanbul while watching a live performance by whirling dervishes. Another remarkable landmark is Haydarpaşa Station, which stands on an embankment over the Bosphorus, slightly north of busy Kadkoy. Istanbul is more than just a city. It bridges past and present, tradition and modernity, east and west. Its cultural richness and dynamic spirit continue to captivate visitors worldwide, making it a destination. Istanbul promises an unforgettable experience that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit.